allowed to have herbivorous animals, the cattle, which are peace-loving. There are some non-Muslims who do have non-veg, but they say, you Muslims, you have non-veg, no problem. But why do you kill the animal in such a ruthless manner? Kill him with mercy. You all torture him to death, you kill the animal, writhers and kicks and bleeds to death. You all are merciless people, you Muslims. You want to have non-veg? We have no objection. But at least kill the animal mercifully. Why do you torture him to death? Once there was an argument going on between a Muslim and a Sikh. Sikh is a person from India who has a turban. They were having an argument, same argument. You Muslims all are ruthless people, you all torture the animal, etc. So our Muslim brother, he used his hikmah, and he said that we Muslims, we do zabiha, you know why? You all Sikhs, you all are coward people, you all attack from behind. We Muslims, we are brave, marat ka bacha, we attack from the front. Because the Sikhs, when they slaughter the animal, they give jhatka, one shot and animal dies. So the Muslims are all coward, attacking from behind. We are marat ka bacha, we attack from the front. Anyway, this is not the reason why we do zabiha. This was just a joke. This is just a joke which has taken place really. But this is not the reason why we do zabiha. The reason why we Muslims do zabiha, and zabiha has been derived from zakah or tazkiyah, we need to purify, to grow. And there are various rules and regulations of zabiha. You can give a talk only on the rules and regulations. But the major ones are that, that the knife should be sharp, it should be a swift cut. And there are many that you should give water to the animal before slaughtering it. You should not slaughter one animal in front of the other, various. But the main scientific reason is that you also cut the throat and the windpipe and the vessels of the neck, the jugular vein and the carotid arteries. When you do zabiha, you cut the throat, windpipe and the vessels of neck without damaging the spinal cord. Because if the spinal cord is damaged, the nerve going to the heart may get severed, may get cut, there may be cardiac arrest. The blood will stagnate in the body. So when we do zabiha, we cut the windpipe, throat and vessels of neck, and the heart is yet pumping. The animal doesn't die immediately. And most of the blood flows out. The reason why we let the blood flow out of the body is because today we have come to know that blood is a good media of germ and bacteria and toxins. We are hygienic people. We let majority of the blood flow out of the body. If we have along with the meat, the blood, it contains germs, bacteria, toxins. And if we slaughter give one jhatka, the blood remains, which is not good for health. And besides that, meat which is slaughtered by zabiha method remains fresh for longer time because of lack of blood, as compared to meat slaughtered by jhatka or by stunning method. And alhamdulillah, last time I come to Singapore, I was very happy that the McDonald's, halal, Pizza Hut, halal, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, there are problems in the Western world, You can't have the meat from these people. Alhamdulillah, I was very happy. And hardly 15 to 18% Muslims, alhamdulillah. That's very good. Even the non-Muslim have realized that that's the most scientific method. If you compare, which is more merciful? The stunning method or the zabiha method? Scientific research tells us today that the zabiha method is more merciful. You know why? Because when you do zabiha, the blood supply going to the nerve, which is responsible for feeling the pain, is stopped. So the animal does not feel pain. The animal kicks and writhers because of lack of blood. When the blood flows out of the body, the animal kicks and writhers. When there's less blood in the arm, the muscles will contract and relax. The legs will start contracting and relaxing. So the animal kicks and writhers not due to pain, due to lack of blood in that part of the body. Due to gush or flow of blood. The animal does not feel pain. It dies a merciful death. As compared to stunning, many a time when the first shot is given, the animal doesn't die, and the animal actually later on dies after a long time with crucial pain. So even scientifically, the zabiha method is much more merciful as compared to the stunning method.